Blay P Baro Shakatup Khubor Jongi Karon Bosco Media Network. Kimat kibakongsan mentakas ngi kilong. Ka Meghalaya kadon hapedeng ka Jingshong Suk Shongsngan hakas 6,000 arpaway ong ulat ka Jylla usatya pal Malik. Sange yaki ki ASHA bakular menteri katanat kakwat kakya bansiu tulop hau benayayong 6,000 arpawar. Kalong kajing mento yaki BDO but engineer lada pentre kami ki service rules ong kah Neutrab Youth Council. Mi persya akipat ba haka public hearing ban berat nyut ka Jowai Municipal Board hamuchut sedai. But IT ka seng Congress hakinong yalam ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ban shim karai khatdo halor ki sangot ki MLA. Tementang ini apaish ki Khubor ki ba kambania. Ulat ka Meghalaya usatya pal Malik mentakasngi ula ong ba ka Jylla hakas 6,000 arpaway kaladon hapedeng ka Jingshong Suk Shongsngan. Haka bakran haka ni kasngi baningkong joka dorbar mang tengka joka ying dorbar tauan ka Jylla. Ulat ula ong ba ka Jylla ka yo ban rakhe ya baro kisngi kraw. Haka bayade bat ki kam erang ulat ula ong ba ka HNLC kala penpau ya ka jing angnu jongka ban poi sya ka jing yakran yesuk.
In the state was peaceful. There were very few incidents of IED blast triggered in Shillong city where attempts were made to disturb the peace. However, the situation was addressed and police acted swiftly and effectively to arrest the culprits involved. All national days were observed in a befitting manner, keeping in mind the 75th year of independence of our country and 50th year of statehood. All social, cultural and religious festivals were celebrated with traditional fervor and gaiety. The HNLC has written to the state government expressing its willingness to unconditional talks within the framework of the Constitution of India. The state government welcomes this move and has written to the Ministry of Home Affairs to take this process forward. This is a major development towards bringing about lasting peace in the state, and my government is committed to ensure that the peace talk reaches its logical conclusion.
Ki ASHA ki balong kinong tre bakongsan haka imlang kasalang ki balong kinong penyasno ni ki jingking ban penjan ka jingyade ki pat ba bat ki bor katanat ka kwat kakya kilamat jing e hadin baka sorkar Jylla kala pensa e ka jingsiu yaki kabanado usnam 6,000 arpau. Mentakasngi barok ki ASHA ki bahap hapo ka Shatri joka Meghalaya ASHA Workers Union kilami pat ba na barok ki distrik banyat rally na pelau ka office MDC Syama dan Malki. Da kabara igi plakat bat perta bandawaya ka hok badru ban penki ya ka jingsiu nakah ndriu phu ndriu tengka shisngi syaka laispa tengka shisngi. Henia kasngi haka jingpen sngau pat ba ni public hearing ya ka jaka branyut ka Jowai Municipal Board ni ka sanitary landfill hamuchut sedai Thad Musam West Janta Hills ba penya do DC ka district u Garrett LNS Dikes bo na ki pat ba balawan shimbenta kentup na kisnong nongkro Thad Musam Larnai Sopho pat kiwe kisnong ki ba marjan ki bar kilapan pau ka jing persya ya ka ni ka jaka branyut da ka ba pen I yakinya persya. Watla haswa baki pat ba kin shimbenta ban pensngau ya kasur jongki nakaliang ki bor sorkar kila batai syai ya ki kendon bakin hab ban yat lengba nakabenta ka jingsngan upat ba kumjuru ki jing mentoy baki laban yo endala pentre kam ya kani ka jaka bretnyut penban nakaliang ki pat ba kila pen e bar ki penpau bakimla ban nget satya baki ta ki jingkular nakaliang ka sorkar kin urlong
bene kata ka daw ngayon ini ongo kam ki pat ba ko ni ka thaw to legin percha ba igan na ta ni umhoy wan the ko tine I le ba ho ko project sorkar ho to bi yang ni municipal soba ra ka subire igdo state pen kublai sibon
Kinong yalam juki ASHA mentakasngi kilalet ban yakendo yo menteri kakwat kakya u James PK Sangma halor ka jingdawa ban siu no eki tulop badang sa jungki. Habaya keran sikila pathai Khubor kinong yalam jong ka seng kilaya thu ba kila wengno ega jingya khi jongki wat lada Kim Hun Satya ya kata ka jingya keran bat menteri ka kwat ka khia.
Pentau hong ne bangam song hon ya ke bangia keran bat Health Minister tang baya kanet akaliang o ka union kam dei ke jong marwai te kemut ngi song thu la ne kam dei ke jong i concern ni marwai ngi song thu bangi ngi nom la ban shime karai da kilai hajar ngut ki asha jongi menta kirang ya ab yangi hapo malki ground te nakaliang jongi ngi la shime karai ba menta ngi ni achwa shapo malki ground bangi ngi yok persengau ya kene ke Khubor ha ka bangia keran bat government ke karai jong kilai hajar ngut ke ban mi nang te ya kata karai ngi ne shim
Kahnyotrap Youth Council mentakasngi kalaya kundu ya menteri katanat CNRD halor ka Meghalaya Community and Rural Development Services bat ka Meghalaya Community Rural Engineering Services. Kani kaseng bhalang kala aidor khasru ya menteri. Habakran hakila pathai Khubor kani kaseng kala ong balada penteri kami kini ki service rules kan salong ka wei ni kilat yok kam yok jam yaki BDO bat engineer kuntup yaki post assistant engineer bat junior engineer haki block.
Kawan rak jingye ikipat bak ki bahap la de village hamala ki block pilap pamana ka singi kipat bak ki wana block ma pihak penwan wat kadiga ka office ke baya jantam ber upat bak kham tam ko nang pendong ti nakaliang ka jongi ke jengwani kendu yo minister in charge jong basian ardi menta kalong ban but din babeli ke sarkar kamla syu ban menteri kami kani raya ka maki kila shem dan usnam aja khatra amar kum ka jing sothu ka jongi kalong ba la dangila ban menteri kami kani separate cadre dan ka separate staff jong kasian adi kan wan rak ko jiman toy ki kon samla ke jongi ke banwa kam wajam pia state ke jongi ko magi op don saukun riu tiligi block lala bentung mendu saukun riu ngut ki video ndai ta kata hapok jong video kindon seki engineer man nak we ke block undon assistant engineer nang ta kindon ki junior engineer umut de kispa pati ki hajar ngut kita ki engineer ni la bentung ndai tang ka block level ndai la de pikir sejrong kan don saka district rural development agency la ni kata DRDA.
Kinong yalam juga Kongres Haka Jylla ne kasni kila kendu lang banyakran halor ka isu jong ki sangut ki MLA ki balet banya so sya ka MDA klem ka jing tip jong ka seng. Kat kum ka jing thu da working president jong ka seng uba pensngan NCM ka seng kala rai ban IT hapo ka jing yalam u president rengkat ki we kinong yalam ban shem ya ka rai ba khaddu haka bayade bat kitei ki sangut ki MLA.
Have that in their mind not to come back to the Congress party. But I understand for them also it is a big problem. Why? Because I think you understand that Congress is not only an organization of leaders. It is the organization of the grassroots party workers. So as of now, I think you know yesterday, office bearer from Ramrai Block Congress Committee officially sent by the Block Congress Committee to meet with the official of the MPCC to discuss regarding the confusions on the suspension of the MLAs. We understand that the party workers are very much with the party. I think the MLA cannot take on his own decision to run away from the party and lose the election. So I do believe that still if it is not in the mind to stay with the party, but because of the party workers, that who had made them win during the election in 2018. So yeah, they have to review.
Kumshi benta ban kan mau ka lungkhu sngi yap ju unong seng ya ka NPP purno e sangma ka National People's Youth Front Shillong City harangkat ka jingadon lang u National Working President ke NPYF u ba nik kinong klau u President ke NPYF Shillong City u ba mebon rapthap urang ba snong ka maulai kanton masar u Dr. Marco bat kinong yalam ka Biodiversity Management Committee hini ka sngi kila penlong ya ka jing thung ding harut ka wa solang hamaulai kanton masar. Hakabaya day bat kani kinong yalam jong ka seng kilo ong bakim kwa bakawa solang kan kela kum kawa kra.
Jing pengko jungi gini kawa ada hi namata kaba kami hina ka jingi bangin di pala ban priang bagani kawa haka jing haka pateng ke jungi ban kelawa kra. Tingin akren nak por ba nimba menta bagi don lang kini perlok napo ka parti ngakwa ban pau pen sesisian mangidon kam ka project ka bakham he namar kani kawa menta kat nang he gistong pimpanse ka jabo hi kan tu sawa pilai i kawa kani bahapo tam bat bolo hi kan tu hi sata timenta ngi i begini garut jadi penthor bar oi gini kita sedang bandi jaka dibeli ki yin beli kita sedang bandi di se gina la kin lai sini sawa
ngi bai im ka khwai hang ni maka dok kha babun ban ni ngi im ka khwai ning lai i pali ka jing jabo ka Ini banteng ya dan ya kut jingmut. Para lang kwai bangin ya, kumno bangin ya. Ni no nak kawai ka seng bangin ya. Bangya suman no ya ni kawa.
Pada kitu ki khubor ngilapoi syakabakut tat hadu bangin daya syambiang khublei shibon.